Hey everybody, how you doing out there? It is Mr. Bookman, and I will be reading Agent Lion by David Soman and Jacky Davis. Please enjoy, and I want to welcome some brand new subscribers here to my channel. Welcome aboard to my channel. I hope all of you will enjoy this channel here, and feel free to check out my other videos and share them out. I would love that if we could do that. But again, welcome aboard. Now on to the story. Agent Lion. Agent Lion was hard at work when suddenly the phone rang. It was Miss Chief from the headquarters. And since Miss Chief was the chief, it had to be a very important call. Agent Lion said, "Miss Flamingo Cat, Fluffy is missing, and it's up to you to find him." Agent Lion knew that he was the very best detective for the job. He buckled his helmet, hopped on his bicycle, and was on his way. He took the absolutely most direct route. Two hours later, Agent Lion was knocking on Miss Flamingo's door. "Hello, Miss Flamingo. I am Agent Lion from the Super Detective Agent Agency, and I'm here to find your cat. First, I will need a description of Fluffy. Does Fluffy have a truck?" "No, Fluffy does not have a truck," said Miss Flamingo. "I see," said Agent Lion. "Does he have antlers?" "No," she replied. "Fluffy is a cat." "Wings?" asked Agent Lion. Flamingo was getting frustrated. "This is Fluffy," she said. "Fluffy looks like a cat because he's a cat." Now that Agent Lion has cleared on what Fluffy looked like, and he needed to start looking for clues. First, he checked the living room. Then he checked the bathroom. "Now I must check the refrigerator," said Agent Lion. Miss Flamingo was confused. "Agent Lion, why on earth are you looking for Fluffy in the refrigerator?" "I'm not looking for Fluffy," he said. "I am looking for the jelly donuts. It has been a tiring morning, and Agent Lion needed a snack." Once Agent Lion concluded that Fluffy was not in the apartment, he thought to look on the roof, since everyone knows that cats like to fly kites. No one moved, said Agent Lion, coming to an halt. "I think we found him." "Agent Lion," said Mrs. Flamingo, "that is a pigeon." But Look closely, said Agent Lion. That pigeon could be Fluffy in disgrace. Miss Flamingo was trying to be patient. Agent Lion, cats do not wear pigeon disgrace, she explained. Agent Lion decided it was time to move on to the next stage of the investigation. Let's interview our first witness. They went to Mr. Wombot's apartment and knocked on the door. Hello, said Agent Lion. We are looking for Fluffy. Have you seen him? No, answered Mr. Wombot. I have not seen Fluffy. I've been here baking a cake. Agent Lion eyes widen. A cake, you say? I love cake. Is it a birthday cake? An ice cream cake? Is it my favorite, a jelly donut cake? Come on, Agent Lion, urged Miss Flamingo. We must keep searching for Fluffy. Wait, I have one more important question, said Agent Lion. What time will the cake be ready? Agent Lion and Miss Flamingo walked down to the next floor, and stopped at a suspicious quiet door. Cats love quiet, said Agent Lion. Maybe Fluffy is here. Ding dong, said Mrs. Hippo. My babies are asleep. Sorry to interrupt you, said Agent Lion. I am looking for Fluffy. May I look around? Okay, agreed Mrs. Hippo. But you have to be very quiet. Do not worry, whispered Agent Lion. I am the best at being quiet. Oh, look. A tuba. Cats can't resist a good polka. Ooh, poo poo. The babies blinked their eyes and then wah, they cried. Oh no, you woke the babies. And Agent Lion, I think it's time for us to go, said Miss Flamingo. What? I can't hear you, said Agent Lion. I said we should leave, Miss Flamingo yelled. Yes, Agent Lion yelled back. It's much too noisy in here for a cat. Agent Lion thought it was time to get to the bottom of things. They took the elevator down to the lobby. It was busy with everyone coming and going, but they did not see Fluffy. Agent Lion decided to check the mail room. Cats love getting mail, he said. Not here, not here. Here, have you finally found Fluffy? Asked Miss Flamingo. No, replied Agent Lion, I did not find Fluffy, but I did find my favorite magazine, Jelly Donut Digest. Wag, wag, wag. Nag, wag, wag. Agent Lion, I've had enough, announced Miss Flamingo. The investigation is over. I'm going home. You are welcome to join me for a cup of tea, if you like. Agent Lion sadly followed her back to her apartment. Miss Flamingo went straight to the kitchen to boil water. Agent Lion arranged the couch pillows. He felt terrible and was beginning to doubt if he really was the very best detective after all. But then the pillow said, "Purr." Wait a minute, said Agent Lion. You are not a pillow, you are Fluffy. You did it, Agent Lion, said Miss Flamingo, skipping into the room. You found Fluffy. How can I ever thank you enough? She asked. Agent Lion humbly replied, I was just doing my job, but if you exist. Jelly donuts do go particularly well with tea. Oh, isn't that a funny story? That was pretty good. I really like that story. They finally found her cat, huh? Well, everybody, I hope all of you enjoyed this book reading here. And if you did, can you smash that thumbs up button? Go thumbs up. Can you do that for me? If you're new and you came along this book reading, hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel. And check out my other book readings here I got. Also hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you'll be notified. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr.Bookman. And this book reading's over. Have a good one and take care. And happy holidays, everybody.